What's up, y'all? Preston Smiles here. Blessings and blessings to you and your family and everybody you know and those who you don't know who are setting themselves up to come into your space. Now, today's transmission is, in my opinion, one of the most powerful questions we can ever ask ourselves, especially as it pertains to the new world that we've inherited that has the internet and social media leading the charge. And so, before I go on, please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please click the red subscribe button, click the like button, and leave a comment with anything that resonates in this video, because we're a community and we got to talk to each other. Okay, so today's transmission is the most powerful question you can ask yourself as it pertains to social media and almost anything that is happening in your life. And that question is, at what cost? You see, I've been fortunate enough to build and create and design and define a successful life on my terms. And success is continuous, success is relative. However, in worldly terms, I would be considered pretty wealthy. And in my opinion, one of the reasons, and not just like financially, I'm talking about like the people I have around me, the family, the friends, the environment that I've co-created with the divine around me. And so, to me, one of the reasons why this is happening is because I ask this question quite a bit. At what cost? At what cost? What am I losing and what am I gaining? At what cost? If I'm scrolling 2-3 hours a day, 2-3 minutes a day, it doesn't matter what the number is. What is that costing me in the long run? There is a super scientific, nerdy term called hyperbolic discounting, which essentially states that most people would rather take rewards now than bigger rewards later. And to me, those who live extraordinary lives understand that that later part, the delayed gratification piece, can actually change your life forever. Yes, we are animals, and there's a part of us that wants to, you know, get that, that box checked within the animal. But when we can be bigger than the animal, we can supersede, and we can go into our epi, right? We have something called epigenetics, which is basically just being above your genetics, right? When we can do that, allergies passing, let's go. Something shifts, something changes, something, you know, I was talking to some guys the other day about when I did 6 months of celibacy, and I also didn't eat chicken for 10 years, and I did 6 months no coffee, all these things, right? I just take things away. And they were like, why do you do that? And I was like, because I'm proving to the animal that yes, it's here, but it's not in charge. I'm proving to the part of me that becomes addicted to these things or sees that there is a cost to drinking coffee. There's a cost to eating a bunch of meat. There's a cost to scrolling through social media. There's a cost to allowing my animal and the hunter to rule and run the show. And that cost for me was I couldn't meet, or I wasn't the vibrational match to meet the type of woman that I would want to date, because I was not honoring my vessel and myself. I wanted a woman who would honor hers, but I wasn't doing it for me. And so this is the reason, right? Elevation requires separation. I began to separate from, and instead of trying to get short-term rewards, I would delay the gratification, and the gratification was 10x. So I hope this is resonating and really supporting you guys. This, to me, is one of the most powerful questions you can ask yourself, and I would love it in the comments if you'd share what's something that you're doing right now that you know is costing you time, money, freedom, relationship, etc. Thank you for being a part of my family. New videos every week. Blessings and blessings. Live love, give love. be love. Ooh, ooh, rah.